Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can format the internal memory on your Sandisk Clip Jam. You will also see the settings to do the external as well if you've got a little SD card in here. So we have to hit this back button here. We need to get to the menu section. So right now we're on the radio, we're going to hit the back button here and you're going to move left and right until you get to settings, which is this icon here, and hit the big middle button. And now we're going to go to System Settings, so move up and down until you see System Settings, which is the top one, and then hit the middle button. And we're going to go all the way down until you get to Format, or you can go up until you get to Format here. Hit the middle button and you've got an option to do all, internal or external. So you can scroll through. I'm going to go to Internal and I'm going to hit that middle button there. And then it says, would you like to format this device? So I'm going to go up to Yes, and I'm going to hit the middle button. And it says please wait, and this will now format the internal memory. This particular one comes with 8 GB. And there we go, you can see now it's turning itself back on and the internal memory will have been formatted. Nice and straightforward. Thanks for watching.